Thanks to this simple method, you can get rid of a common problem at home. First, take a large empty bottle. It is important that the bottle is made of plastic. Using a utility knife, carefully cut the bottle as shown in the video. For this trick, you will need the bottom part of the bottle. Using a soldering iron, make several small holes in the bottom of the bottle. Next, take a piece of kitchen twine. Thread it through the holes at the front of the bottle and tie it to create a handle. Your bottle is now ready. Now it's time for the next step. Attach a hook to the edge of the sink and hang the prepared bottle on it. The holes in the bottom of the bottle will allow water to drain freely, while food scraps will remain inside the bottle. At the end of the day, simply remove the bottle, throw the food scraps into the trash, and rinse the bottle under running water. Thanks to this method, your sink will stay clean and your pipes won't get clogged. You'll solve the problem without the need for specialized tools and avoid costly repairs. A plumber shared a home remedy for a clogged sink that he uses himself. I have saved a lot of money because of it. Get a large bowl and some dishwashing liquid. The dish soap tackles grease and dirt, which is crucial in this case. Measure about 7 ounces of liquid into a glass and pour it into the bowl. Next, grab some salt. Salt has abrasive and disinfectant properties, which help dissolve impurities and act as a natural cleaner. Add 2 tablespoons of salt to the mixture. Now it's time for vinegar. Vinegar has antibacterial and descaling properties, making it perfect for cleaning and degreasing. Measure half a cup of vinegar and pour it into the mix. Stir everything together thoroughly. You will have a mixture that's perfect for clearing a clogged sink. First, get rid of any excess water. Then, take baking soda. Baking soda effectively removes grease, neutralizes odors, and acts as a disinfectant. It's perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach spots. Sprinkle it around the drain area. Now, pour in the prepared mixture. It will start to bubble slowly, which means it's working. Let the mixture sit for a moment. Then, rinse the drain. After a while, clean it thoroughly. And you're done. The sink is unclogged, water flows as usual, and your problem is gone in just a few minutes. No need to call a plumber. Stick a zip tie into the sink and you won't believe the results. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. You'll never have this problem again. A regular zip tie turns out to be incredibly useful, and you probably have one at home. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Make a few angled cuts along the sides of the zip tie. Don't cut through it. Just notch it diagonally like I'm showing here. Do this on both sides. Many people deal with slow drains in the sink or shower, usually caused by hair buildup. But with this trick, you won't need to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert the modified zip tie into the drain, move it around a bit, and all the hair inside will get caught on the notches. Then just pull it out, toss it along with the zip tie, and you're done. The drain is clear. No plumber needed. And whenever it clogs again, you can quickly make a new zip tie tool in seconds. It unclogs the sink and eliminates bad odor in just a few seconds. Pour it down the drain and it will be cleaner than ever. Take a glass and fill it halfway with dish soap. Pick your favorite scent and color. Then add 3 tablespoons of salt and mix well. Next, pour in some vinegar. The combination of salt and vinegar dissolves grease and buildup. Stir again. Now take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and pour in some warm water to dissolve it. Mix carefully. Here comes the most important part. Pour the contents of the glass into the drain. The rough texture of salt helps scrub away deposits inside the pipes. Vinegar eliminates unpleasant odors, and dish soap removes grease. Then pour in the baking soda mixture. You'll see it foam immediately. Once the foam settles, rinse the sink with hot water. Finally, clean the sink to remove any leftovers. This is an effective and inexpensive way to unclog pipes. Eco-friendly and safe for your plumbing. Do this in the evening before bed, and you'll see the difference in the morning. You'll be surprised at what you can avoid with this simple trick. It's an easy yet highly effective method that solves 2 problems at once. Take a lemon and cut off one of its ends. Then, insert the tip of a stopper into the center of the lemon and place it over the sink drain. Now, cut off the other end of the lemon, shaping it to fit the drain opening. Insert the prepared citrus plug into the sink and close the drain overnight. This prevents earwigs, which are most active after dark and often seek food scraps in damp areas, from entering the drain. The acid in the lemon creates a natural scent barrier that effectively repels insects, keeping them from reaching the pipes. In the morning, when you remove the citrus plug, you'll notice that unpleasant odors have also disappeared. Additionally, the lemon's essential oils have antibacterial properties, disinfecting the sink and eliminating built-up bacteria. This simple trick keeps your kitchen fresher and helps prevent insect problems. This is how I make a real stone remover. Here's a recipe for a solution that effectively eliminates buildup in your home. Just combine 3 inexpensive ingredients to thoroughly clean surfaces covered with limescale and residue. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of table salt to a bowl. Salt has cleaning and whitening properties, making it easy to remove dirt and dissolve limescale. Next, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. Its gentle abrasive agents help remove deposits and stains. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Mix the ingredients well until a thick, uniform paste forms. Apply the prepared solution to surfaces with limescale and residue, ensuring full coverage. Let the product sit for a few minutes to dissolve the dirt. Then scrub the areas with a sponge, paying special attention to the most soiled spots. Finish by rinsing off the residue with water. After this treatment, all surfaces will shine with cleanliness, free from limescale and other dirt, or home. Put the sink stopper into a lime. Cut off the tip, then place the lime like this into the drain. Turn on the water. After a moment, foam will appear from the overflow hole. That means the sink has been cleaned from the inside. The acid in the lime dissolves grease, limescale, and build up in the pipes, while its natural oils disinfect and freshen the sink. A classic grandma's trick that always works. Throw coffee into the sink. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can be transformed into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive solution that will come in handy in the kitchen and bathroom. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee, which perfectly absorbs unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, utilizing its cleaning properties. Pour a glass of vinegar, known for its disinfecting qualities, and add it to the bowl with coffee and baking soda. Mix the solution well. Once ready, pour it into the sink. Let it sit for a while, allowing the ingredients to work. Then, rinse with warm water and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. This trick will help eliminate unpleasant odors and potential pests. Don't throw away your used tea bag. It has a hidden function. Watch what happens. Very few people know this trick, and I'm sure you had no idea about it. Let me show you. Prepare your tea as usual. Put the tea bag in a cup or glass and pour in hot water. Drink the tea and set the bag aside. Wait until you've collected a few of them, because that's when this trick works best. Put the used tea bags in the sink, but of course not new ones, only those you've already used for making tea. Place them directly into the drain. Boil water in a kettle and pour the boiling water over the tea bags. Leave them like this overnight for the best results. In the morning, simply take them out of the sink and throw them in the trash. Your drain will be like new, with no unpleasant odors coming from it. This trick with used tea bags costs practically nothing, which is why it's worth trying.